This is always exhilarating, but hey, yeah, just got to collect my thoughts for a second, but we're gonna start chopping some branches here, get this thing totally on the ground, and I'll probably go get the grapple. But first we're gonna do some limbing and some wood chipping. We'll be back to you. What we have here is WOOD MAXX MX8500G plus. G stands for gravity plus wood chipper, and pretty much this thing has not let us down. It has taken everything we've thrown at it. I'm going to start the tractor up here. on down. But that's where we are right now. Just giving the tractor a quick break. I'm out of breath. We'll finish cutting this up. This little 180C Stihl is not big enough for some of these bigger limbs. It's great for the small stuff, but I'm gonna have to change it up. Get some more of the small stuff off and then change it up. Maybe go back across the street and grab another chainsaw. I have the 461 over here for the big job, but so yeah, that's what we got right now. That is a BX23S matched up with the WOOD MAXX MX8500G Plus, made in the USA, designed and built by veterans. But I am not sponsored by WOOD MAXX or Kubota. I just have their equipment. This WOOD MAXX wood chipper has been a great chipper since we owned it. Never any problems. And it's, like I said, it's done everything we've wanted it to do. So I'm gonna shut this video off and we'll touch base back with you a little bit later. All right, thanks.